So here we got the Splitfire 4003 wood chipper. Now this wood chipper is the same as the 4090 chipper. It's got the same in-feed and all the same box components as the 4090. It's just, instead of a Honda powering it, it's powered off a 3-point hitch on the back of a tractor. Well, this chipper is really meant to be easy to hook up. On the 3-point hitch pickup here, it's set up for category 1 and category 2. So on these pickup pins down here, inside the gaps category 1, and if you want, you go category 2 on the outsides. On this machine here, we do have an e-stop. Now this is not hooked up on this tractor, but if one wanted to, they could very easily hook up this electronic system into the seat switch on the tractor, and in case of an emergency, they could hit that switch, and this machine's going to come to a very quick stop, preventing any further damage. And as far as the drivetrain goes, hooking up the PTO shaft is really easy. It's set up for 540. This gearbox here is the same type of gearbox you're going to find on a brush cutter, so super overkill for the application, but it makes it a very clean and simple design. With our tractor, I always get off the left side. You can see I have the controls there for the bucket on the right side, so I always get off the left side. And on this chipper, I have the in-feed chute on the left side as well. Now, if for some instance you want to change that, you can switch this to 3 different positions, being left side, or in-feed from the right side, or in-feed from the back, as well as the exhaust. So the exhaust can be switched to the right side, the back, or the left side, depending on what you want to do. I love shooting my chips into a trailer. That way I don't got to rake it up off the grass. So this is the perfect setup for what I need. Well, that tree's done. The nice thing with the Kubota is it's got so much more torque than that Honda engine does, so it doesn't slow down at all when you throw the sticks through. We're gonna go to the ice rink out back here and clean up some wood. We'll find some bigger stuff to see how it does on that. All right, so there you got it, the 4003 chipper. You know, when you get these bigger limbs, the power really comes in handy. You can just toss it in, you're not gonna babysit it too much, and get some really nice chips out of it. So if you got more questions about options, availability, give us a call at the office or see more at split-fire.com.